Ramblin Redwoods, a campground review. Reviewed by Grace. Hey, that's me! Ramblin Redwoods is located just north of Crescent City, California, right off of Highway 101. As you pull in, there's a clear sign pointing you toward registration at the main office. We parked our truck and trailer out front, walked in, and checked in with our reservation details. The staff went over everything with us: campground rules, bathroom and laundry codes, and gave us a map of the property so we could find our way around. We were assigned Site 19. Once we got there, it was pretty easy to back into the spot, which is always a win when you're pulling a trailer. Our site had water, sewer, and 30 amp electric hookups. Alright, let's talk bathrooms and showers. The bathrooms do require a code to enter, and just a heads up, pets aren't allowed inside. There are 3 showers total. One is a bit larger, but only has a curtain. And the other 2 are smaller, but have locking doors. Each shower had a bench and hooks, which is always nice for keeping your things off the floor. There are 3 toilet stalls and 3 sinks in the bathroom area as well. The men's and women's bathrooms are right next to each other, and just behind them, you'll find the laundry room. The laundry area also requires a code to get in. It looked like there were about 3 washers and 3 dryers. We didn't end up using them, but it's nice to have that as an option. Back at the office, there's a small convenience store and really friendly staff. They also sell firewood and have important campground info posted. In addition to RV and tent sites, they also offer cabin rentals. This is a nice option if you're not traveling with an RV. We checked out the Creek Trail while we were there. It's a short, easy walk, and honestly a really peaceful way to stay on site and still enjoy the redwoods. Now, for the ratings. Site quality, 4 out of 5. It was easy to access and had full hookups, but the sites are a bit close together. Bathrooms and showers, 3 out of 5. They were clean and functional, but fairly basic. Amenities, 3 out of 5. You've got the essentials: laundry, store, cabins, and the creek trail, but it's not a resort-style campground. Customer service, 5 out of 5. Super friendly staff, and an easy check-in experience. Overall, I'd say Ramblin Redwoods is a solid, quiet campground in a great location if you're looking to stay near the redwoods without needing a lot of extras. Thanks for coming along. Remember, whatever road you're on, don't give up. Keep moving forward, 1 mile at a time. I'll see you at the next campground.